Hello, beautiful people. Welcome once again to Abenasia's recipes. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I'm sharing with you quick and easy one-pot beef fried rice that you can make for your family this Christmas. Let's get started. I have here about 1/3 of a cup of oil. You can use less or more. And then I add in my beef. You can also use steak or ground beef for this recipe. I've added a teaspoon of salt and I'm adding a tablespoon of my beef bouillon. I'll add in my spices. I have ginger powder, curry powder, aniseed, rosemary, garlic powder, and black pepper. And then I have here my roughly chopped 1 medium-sized onion. I'll give everything a good mix and I'll be cooking this for about 10 minutes, stirring periodically until the beef is no longer pink. I'll add in 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and then I'll stir. I'll allow this to cook for 7 to 10 minutes, stirring periodically. Please, it is important to stir your sauce. You do not want your sauce to burn. I have my washed rice ready, guys. You can choose to wash your rice or you can choose to not wash it. It is up to you. I've added my rice and I'll be toasting this between 5 and 7 minutes. I want the rice to absorb the flavor from the beef sauce. So you can choose to toast it for 5 or 7 minutes. It is up to you. My rice looks good now, so I'll add in 7 cups of water. You can add more water if you like your rice soft. I'll give my rice a mix and then I'll add in 2 teaspoons of salt. You can always add the salt to your taste. You can add more or less. I'll cover and allow this rice to cook until the rice has absorbed all the water. And this is what we are looking for. I'll give my rice a mix. You can also add in any vegetable of choice. I'm adding in some shredded carrot at this point and then I'll give it a mix. I'll use my wooden spoon to create wells or poke holes in the middle. This process helps the rice cook really fast, guys. I've covered with aluminum foil and I'll be leaving this to cook on a low heat for about 10 minutes. The highest of my heat is 15 and I lowered it to 5. You want this to cook on a very low heat. And look at the rice, it looks really good and it is cooked already, guys. At this point you can add in bell peppers if you want. I've added in some green onion or scallion and I'm giving it a mix. I'll cover this for about 5 minutes, still under low heat. There we have it. We have our one-pot beef fried rice, guys. This is so good and flavorful. I'll garnish my rice with more spring onion or scallion. And there we have it. One-pot beef fried rice. Easy, quick, and guys, this was done in under 40 minutes. And I hope you give this a try. You can enjoy this with any sauce of choice. I am enjoying this with Shito. It is a spicy black chili sauce. And I do have a video of this and I can leave it in my description for you. Thank you so much. To my new subscribers, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate you. And to my returning subscribers, you rock. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate you as well. And I want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a happy, healthy New Year. Please kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. You hit that post notification so anytime I upload a video, you'll be the first to be notified. Please stay safe. God bless you. Bye, guys.